Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to do an eyebrow tutorial for beginners using pencil liners. So start from the tail of the brow and make sure you follow the steps and then outline the lower part of the brow and then the upper part. And after, fill in the middle. And after filling the middle, you need to blend everything well. It's super easy. This is super applicable for all moms out there who wants to just a quick glam up and people who love to do their brows super quick. This is for you. This is optional though. You can use concealer to clean the edges of your brows, but it's up to you. It doesn't really matter if you're happy with the result, so go for it. So makeup is an art, so just enjoy, and I hope this helps. God bless. Sarang he.